Hi everyone, welcome back, and let's pick up right where we left off. Last time we showed you how voice cloning works directly inside the Zero2Launch desktop app, where you can clone almost any voice with any tone or vibe. Now, to truly scale your workflow and automate everything, we've also deployed a dedicated voice cloning API. So in this lesson, we're going to walk through exactly how to use it step by step. First, let's take a look at the audio input we want to clone. This audio is the original voice sample that defines the tone, style, and personality of the final output.
This is your brain when you're struggling to focus. And this is your brain when you're in the zone, but getting in the zone and
Next, we need to make this audio accessible to the API. To do that, we're going to upload the audio file to a hosting service so we can generate an audio URL. Technically, the API also supports direct audio file uploads. However, for simplicity and reliability, we'll focus on using an audio URL, which is easier to manage in automated workflows.
This is your brain when you're struggling.
Once the upload is complete, simply copy the audio URL. Now that we have the link, let's move into the workflow we've already prepared for you. Inside this workflow, you'll see a voice cloning HTTP request node. This node is responsible for calling our main voice cloning API endpoint. Before doing anything else, make sure you enter your Zero2Launch API key, which you receive from the premium community. Without this key, the request won't authenticate correctly. Next, let's look at the request body. Here you'll see a text field, which contains the content you want the cloned voice to speak. Right below that, you'll see the audio URL field, where you paste the link to your uploaded voice sample. This tells the API which voice it should clone. Now let's move to the Edit Fields node. This is where you can quickly update or customize the text you want the voice to say. Any text you enter here will be passed directly into the voice cloning API request. Once everything looks good, go ahead and hit the Execute button. As the workflow runs, you'll see the text from the Edit Fields node being sent into the voice cloning request body. The API will immediately return a task ID. This task ID is important because voice cloning happens asynchronously. In other words, the audio isn't generated instantly. Next, we pass that task ID into the Check Status node. This node continuously calls our status checking API to monitor the progress of the generation. Again, make sure your Zero2Launch API key is entered here as well. While the audio is still processing, the API will return a status like processing, and the audio URL will be empty. To handle this automatically, we loop the check status node multiple times. This loop continues until the status changes to success. Once the status is successful and the audio URL is returned, the workflow moves forward. At this point, the audio URL is passed into the download audio node, and just like that, the process is complete. You can now download the audio file directly to your local machine, or if you prefer, you can use the audio URL immediately.
Use AI to create niche content fast, grow an audience, then monetize with brand deals, affiliates, and digital products.
And that's it. The result is a cloned voice that perfectly matches the original tone, vibe, and personality. Even deep, expressive, or emotional voices are captured with impressive accuracy. Pretty amazing, right?